Hi guys, this is Skylar. I am completely blind. I'm autistic and I have a chronic heart condition. Today I'm going to be talking about a product that I got off of Etsy, and then I'm going to be talking to you about why I wanted it. So just check the description, okay? Okay. So first of all, the product. This is what it is. This is a scheisse emoji trophy. I got it off of Etsy. For those of you who don't know, scheisse is the German word for like excrement, like, sugar honey iced tea. And scheisse is one of my favorite German words. So that's why I found a trophy off of Etsy that looks like the smiling pile of scheisse emoji. I was thinking what I could do is because scheisse is one of my favorite words, and that's what this trophy looks like, I could use it as a reward, like when I get blood drawn or when I get shots and stuff, because I don't really like needles. But having a scheisse emoji trophy would be a good reward for afterwards, because scheisse is one of my favorite German words. Also, when I was ordering that, there were 2 drop down menus where you could choose what color you wanted the scheisse emoji on top to be and what color you wanted the pillars up underneath it to be. And I wanted the on top to be brown because, number one, my mom told me that scheisse is usually brown, but also number 2, brown is very close to schwarz, which is the German word for black. And that's another one of my favorite words too, schwarz. So, boom. Now what I like about this trophy in particular is because it's 3D printed with like plastics, and being that I'm blind, I like that because I can actually feel the design. Sometimes when you get trophies or stuff that's printed, it's like printed with ink, so I can't really feel the designs and things. But this is 3D printed with plastics, so like I can feel. It's very textured. It's very blind person friendly because I can feel where the face is. I can feel the shape of the scheisse emoji. I can feel the pillars, blah, 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 blah. And which is good. So, and the trophy came very promptly. I didn't have to wait 9 years for it to come, which I love punctual Etsy sellers. So, yeah. So, just as a recap, in case you weren't paying attention, this is a scheisse emoji trophy. Scheisse is German for S-H-I-T, and scheisse is one of my favorite words. The reason that I wanted it is so that I could use it as a reward after blood draws, or like after I have to give myself my shot every Tuesday. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and God bless.